I was in the middle of a project and I needed a flush trim saw. And this one is the blade from one that I bought a couple of years ago. And I took the handle off because it was too clunky with the idea that I was going to make a new handle, and I never got around to doing that. So I'm going to do that in this video right here. Now the project I'm working on is made from spalted maple, and I've got a piece left over. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut that to the right size. And then I want the handle to kind of taper towards the back. So I'm going to shape it with the hand plane. Okay, with that done, I need to cut a slot for the blade in the end of the handle, or the front of the handle maybe, I guess you could call it. And I'm going to do that with a hacksaw. I've got it clamped once again in my gear connected twin screw vise. And if you're up for a challenge, there are plans available for this. The details are in the video description. Okay, that looks good. Now what I'm going to do is do a little bit more shaping on the front here on the belt disc sander to round that over, and also to slim it down a little bit, make it a little bit more comfortable, round over the corners as well. And with that done, I can actually glue the blade in, and I'm using quick setting epoxy for this. Notice that I've also marked the pinholes so that I can drill those after the epoxy is set. And for the pins, I'm going to be using number 10 machine screws, gluing those in once again with epoxy and cutting them off flush. And then some final sanding to make it a little bit more comfortable to use, and I can get some finish on here. And the finish is just an oil. I'll put this first coat on, let it dry overnight, and then I'll put another one on tomorrow and maybe another one the day after.